In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to PDF. This is a simple and useful process that can help you share your spreadsheet in a format that is easier to view, print, and send to others. Converting an Excel file to PDF is helpful when you want to preserve the layout of your document, so it looks the same on different devices. To begin, open the Excel file that you want to convert. Once your spreadsheet is on the screen, go to the top left corner of the Excel window and click File. This will open the main file menu where you can access several options related to saving, sharing, and exporting your document. After that, look to the left-hand menu and click Export. The Export section is where Excel gives you options for creating versions of your file in other formats. This is the area you will use when you want to turn your spreadsheet into a PDF file instead of keeping it as a regular Excel workbook. Next, click the Create PDF/XPS button. This tells Excel that you want to generate a PDF version of the file. Once you click it, a new window will appear. This window allows you to choose the location where the PDF will be saved on your computer. Now select the folder or location where you want to save the file. It is a good idea to choose a place that is easy to remember, such as your desktop or documents folder, so you can quickly find the PDF later. Before publishing, you can also take a quick look at the file name and make sure it is something clear and recognizable. When you are ready, click Publish. Excel will then create the PDF and save it to the location you selected. After that, you can open the new PDF file to confirm that everything looks correct. This is a good final check, especially if your spreadsheet includes tables, charts, or formatting that you want to make sure appears properly. That is the full process. Click File, choose Export, select Create PDF/XPS, then pick where to save the file and click Publish. Once you have done it a few times, it becomes very quick and easy. And that is all there is to it.